Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and let me show you how to enable the Talkback mode on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and find accessibility. Now let's tap on the Talkback, and before turning on this mode, let's customize it by tapping on the settings. And here you've got some options to personalize. For example, you can decide if you want to speak the passwords, if you want to feel the vibration feedback. What's more, you can set the gestures. So after tapping here, you can decide what you want to do after swiping up or down, left, right, up and down. A lot of options actually to customize. So simply tap on the option you want to change, and here you've got some options to choose from. But let me leave it like this, and let me turn on the Talkback by tapping on the switcher near Use Service. Now your device is telling you that the Talkback needs to have full control of your device, so it has to view and control the screen and view and perform actions. So if you are ready, tap on Allow. And as you can hear, the Talkback is on, and your device just opened the tutorial, which will give you a chance to go through it and learn how to use this mode. But now I would like to show you the basics of it, so the shortcut of this tutorial. So first of all, let's learn how to choose something, for example the back button, or enter the app. All you have to do is simply tap on the thing you want to use. You'll see a green frame, and of course hear the Talkback and hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap to get back. And as you can see, here we are on the very first page of the tutorial. So let's do it again. We are in the Talkback. Let's tap again and again, and we are in the general settings. Here I can show you how to swipe, and you have to use 2 fingers to do that. This way or this way, but in my personal opinion the very first option is much easier. So actually here we've got the basics of the Talkback, and now I can show you actually how to turn it off. So we have to tap on the accessibility, double tap, tap on the Talkback, double tap, tap on the switcher, double tap, tap on stop and double tap. And as you can hear, the Talkback is off. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the Talkback mode in your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.